Hi, I'm Bier. Welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin' Patio, the show I'll be teaching you all the important words you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hi, welcome back to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin' Patio. I'm Bier and today we'll be talking about tea, coffee and etc. Right now I am on Soi Kautalo and I'm just in front of Harry's Bakery.
Okay, Bier, so here we are inside Harry's Bakery. Got to say, what a lovely place. Now, if I want to order a coffee, how do I say coffee?
Cafe.
Cafe.
Cafe. That's how you say coffee, yeah. Cafe.
Oh, okay, and if I want the coffee to be hot?
Cafe lon.
Cafe lon. Oh, okay, cool. And what about if I want a cup of tea?
Tea is cha.
Cha.
Cha, yeah.
Okay, and if I want hot tea?
Cha lon.
Cha lon.
Cha lon.
Oh, okay. And I noticed that when you get coffee here, there's not often they give you milk. So if I need some milk, how would I say the word milk?
Nom.
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 Okay, so I've got my coffee, my tea, I've got some milk. What about sugar?
Oh, sugar. Sugar is nam tan.
Nam dan.
Nam tan.
Nam
Yeah.
dan. Okay, cool. And something I see a lot of Thai people drink, they drink that iced milk tea, which does look lovely. How do you say iced milk tea?
So we switched that around to tea first, milk, and then cold. So
Okay.
it'd be cha. So tea, cha.
Yeah.
Milk, nom.
Nom.
Cha, nom, yen.
And
yen
yen
is cold, yeah.
Okay, so cha nom yen.
That's correct, yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, so let's just recap on that then. So coffee,
Cafe,
cafe, tea,
cha,
cha, milk,
nom,
nom, sugar,
nam tan,
nam dan, and iced milk tea,
cha, nom, yen.
cha nom yen.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all. Alright guys, that's me for today. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications of our next lesson. You can also comment below if you have any questions that you would like to ask. And if you would like to support our channel, you can buy us a coffee in the link below in the description. Of course, our next lesson will be about food, spicy and stuff, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.